Hello, sweeties. This is Stays Good. This is Mimi. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making fried rice, and I used gizzard in making it. So please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. This fried rice that I made is one of my best of all fried rice, and it's a nice recipe that I would love that you try. So I started by washing my gizzard thoroughly with salt and lime, and I put all of them in a saucepan, place it on fire, added my blended onion and scotch bonnet pepper. Then I waited for it for a while, then I stirred everything. I wanted everything to enter into the gizzard, yes. So I stirred it, then I added curry powder for my steaming, yes. So I added curry powder, then I added some seasonings, then a salt to taste, yes. So do it as I'm doing, and you get the best steaming gizzard ever, yes. So I stirred everything to allow it to mix properly on my gizzard, and then I waited for it to cook. So I covered it, okay, yes. I covered my gizzard for it to steam. So this is my gizzard semi-steamed. So I covered it again, and this time around it is cooked. So I'm coming to take all the gizzard from the stock. So as I'm doing, guys, it's the same stock that I will use to cook my rice, yes. So it's the same stock I use to cook my rice. So I stirred everything, then for it to mix properly, then I added 1 cup of water, yes. Then I stirred again, and I allowed it to boil. In a few minutes my rice was cooked, and we are coming to make our fried rice, okay, yes. So I also placed a frying pan on fire, then poured a reasonable amount of cooking oil in the frying pan, added my steamed gizzard. I'm coming to fry them, so I poured it in the oil, coming to fry them, yes. So after I was done frying, I collected all my gizzard from the oil. Now I've collected all my gizzard, so I poured in the oil my chopped vegetables. I used green pepper and carrots. Please make a choice of the vegetables you want to use for your fried rice. Yes, so I allowed the vegetables to fry for some minutes, then I poured in my rice, yes. So I stirred everything and mixed everything properly. I mixed everything. Yes. You can see my fried rice already looking colorful without sauce. It's looking nice and can't wait to taste it. Okay, so please try some at home. It's one of the best fried rice recipe ever known and ever you can find on the internet. So I added my fried gizzard and I said, Omo, look at how my fried rice is looking. I can't wait to enjoy with my family and everyone, my friends and everyone. So please try some and your family will love it. So you can see my fried rice given. It is given. Please let me know your comment from the comment section. Please subscribe, like this video for me. And you should know that this is your girl Mimi. Another video will be loading soon to teach another recipe. Please don't go anywhere. Stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe for me. Bye.